Hello everyone, my name is Sumit Mandloi, one of the student of NIT Jamshedpur, pursuing Master of Computer Application. I am here with my teammate Lalit Chaudhary and Akansha Mishra to give the overview of our project, that is jargon prediction. This project is made under the guidance of Dr. Alekha Kumar Mishra sir. We have designed this project to predict the short short word which we are using in our daily life, that is in social media. Suppose we are chatting with someone on WhatsApp, and we are writing thank you in short form like TY. So that TY word is called jargon word, and that full form is called jargon prediction. For that we are using database using file handling. यूज़र क्या करेगा कि यूज़र कोई जार्गन वर्ड इनपुट करेगा और उसको आउटपुट में उसका एक पूरा फुल फॉर्म या फिर जार्गन प्रेडिक्शन जो है वो शो होना चाहिए। और अगर अगर कोई वर्ड जो है, मतलब यूज़र को पता नहीं है कि ये जार्गन वर्ड है या नहीं है, वो तो रैंडमली कोई जार्गन वर्ड समझ के ही कोई इनपुट देगा। अब अगर वो जार्गन वर्ड अगर हुआ तो उसका फुल फॉर्म उसको मिल जाएगा, और अगर नहीं हुआ तो प्रोग्राम में हमने एक डिक्शनरी अपलोड की है। तो उससे क्या होगा कि जो भी वर्ड यूज़र इनपुट करेगा तो उससे रिलेटेड जितने भी, मतलब उसके नियर बाय जो भी सारे वर्ड हैं वो सारे के सारे आउटपुट में शो होंगे। The file which we are using in our project is dictionary file. This is a dictionary file, and this is jargon prediction word. In this file all the jargon words are there, and in this file all the full form of that jargon word are there. So this is our project, and let's take some test cases. जैसे अभी हम क्या करेंगे कि कोई भी वर्ड हम इनपुट करवाएंगे। जैसे ये हमारी यूज़र इनपुट की फाइल है। हाँ, इसमें हम कोई भी वर्ड करवा लेते हैं, जैसे इनपुट जैसे TTYL करवा लिए। और फिर जब हम हमारा प्रोजेक्ट रन करेंगे, मतलब जब हम हमारा प्रोग्राम रन करेंगे, तो हमको यहाँ पे टॉक टू यू लेटर ही दिखना चाहिए, जो कि दिख रहा है। ठीक है, तो वो एक जार्गन वर्ड था। अभी जैसे हमको पता है कि TTYL एक जार्गन वर्ड है। अभी हम क्या करेंगे, यूज़र इनपुट जो फाइल है उसमें हम रैंडम सा कोई सा भी एक वर्ड जो है इनपुट करवाएंगे। जैसे XT करवा लेते हैं। अभी हमको नहीं पता है कि ये जार्गन वर्ड मतलब ये है या नहीं है। हमको रन करवाएंगे हम पहले प्रोग्राम। अभी देखो, वो एक जार्गन वर्ड नहीं था, तो वो फिर डिक्शनरी के पास गया। डिक्शनरी में उसने देखा कि XT के नियर बाय कौन से वर्ड है। जैसे कॉन्टेक्स्ट में XT आ रहा है ना, इधर XT आ रहा है एक्सटेंड में, जैसे एक्स्ट्रा ऑर्डिनरी में XT आ रहा है। तो ये सारे डिक्शनरी के वर्ड उसने शो कर दिए हैं। अभी हम एक और ले लेते हैं एग्जांपल, जैसे TY ले लेते हैं। तो यहाँ पे थैंक यू दिखा रहा है, मतलब वो एक जार्गन वर्ड था। और जो भी प्रिडिक्शन हमारे उधर कंसोल विंडो में शो हो रहे वही की वही चीज़ें हमारे यूज़र आउटपुट में भी शो होगी। जैसे TY का थैंक यू था तो वो इधर शो हो जाएगा। ओके, सो दिस इज द ओवरव्यू of our project, and now the rest of the thing will be explained by my teammates.
Yeah, from here onwards, I'm going to explain you the coding and the backend. So here is our main program. I have taken if stream for reading the file. whatever in file there is written, whatever string is written, I'm going to take it on the string s. And yeah, from with the help of getLine function, I have taken the word which is on user input .txt file in the s string, and here we have closed the file, and now we are going to predict the words. It may be on jargon prediction file, or it may be on a dictionary file. So first of all, we are going to search it on the jargon prediction file, and here I have called the jargon prediction function, in which I have passed a parameter string, and from there, here is the code for the jargon prediction function. Here I have taken the string as a reference. Now here I have taken the check variable to check whether the word is found on jargon file or not. If the word is found or found on jargon prediction file, then we are going to uh, check store the value of check, like, yeah, we are going to uh, store the value 0 at check. That means now we are not going to further search it on the dictionary file. So here the use of check variable, we are going to use it like that. And now I have taken streams fin1 fin2 for reading the two jargon files. That is, one file is jargon word.txt, and other file is jargon prediction.txt. And I will show you the files. Yeah, here the words, all the words of jargon are saved in that file, that is jargon word. And in jargon prediction file, yeah, so here all the corresponding words of jargon are predicted as in that way. Afghanistan, all that, full form of all the words. Yeah, and now we are going to, yeah. So I have taken string s and pre variable. So I am going to traverse through both the files, that is fin1 and fin2, which is jargon word and jargon prediction file. So I am taking one by one the words which are in file in the string named as s and pre. If it is match with the user input file, then I am going to create another file, that is user output.txt file, and write it over there. And and here I am going to change the value of check to 0. That means we have find the word on jargon prediction file, and now we don't have to look for the dictionary files. And I have closed the file here, because after writing we have to close the file and break operation, and both files are being closed here. And here's the function body of that dictionary search. Like, uh, as earlier I have told you that we are going to use the check variable. If if the word is found on jargon prediction file, then the check will be 0, and here that block is not going to execute. And if we don't find any word on jargon prediction, then the check will remain 1, and it control goes inside the if condition, while flag, yeah, and while flag, okay. So we have initialized a global variable here, flag, for the same purpose. Like if we find any string, then we are going to initialize or store 0 at flag variable. So yeah, so from here uh, we have called the dictionary search function to search for the string. And yeah, and from here onwards Akansha is going to give you the brief of dictionary search.
My name is Akansha Mishra and I am here to explain the program's dictionary part. Basically, if the word is not found in jargon file, it will move to search in dictionary. Whether it is that substring that has been inputted by user is finded, nearly matched words is finded out in dictionary. So what for that we have to understand for let me start go with the code section of that. As my friend Lalit has explained how jargon prediction is working, how user's substring is find it out or the shortcut is find it out in jargon file. So let's move with the dictionary search section. For that, let me show you the file, that is dictionary text file, in which the user have searched the substring. Here is dictionary text file. In dictionary text file there is around 3 to 4,000 words in which searching has been done. Let us go with code. The string str is passed out as a parameter, and it is under while loop having flag. This flag will, how this flag is working is already told by my friend Lalit, and this erase function is erasing out that letter from the erasing out one letter from the substring, so that nearly matched element has been found out easily. Like let's suppose TMIS is a substring, and that MIS is perfectly matched in misunderstanding, but TMIS is not finded there. So firstly we have removed that T from MIS, then find out the matched substring MIS. If it find it out, that then the words that has that contain MIS as a substring will print it out an output file. So let's go with dictionary search. Here a string is passed out and that cached by the dictionary search function, where it is yes, here. And for that temp is a reference variable that has been created, and since user can print user can give an input in lowercase as well as an uppercase, so for our convenience I have converted it into a lowercase only. And for that I have used transform function of a string. It will take 4 parameter, one from starting index, ending index, and one is a starting index of that string, and it convert to lower. Again for searching in dictionary we have to open it. For opening in read only mode I have taken if string object fin, and using that I have opened dictionary.txt file. And for writing section I have taken of stream fout object, where I have opened user output txt file and close it here only. I have done this so that the content that is already returned in the output file has been erased, and then I have then the matched words from dictionary file has been printed out or returned in user output, all the words, because not only one string has been has contained that substring, there are more words, so all the words has been returned on that output file. Okay, I have taken one string s. That string s contain the one word from dictionary file. For this I have chosen while loop that will run until the file dictionary file has been ended, so that all the words has been checked out whether it contained that substring or not. That getLine function take that file and one word from that dictionary, whether and that word is copied out on the s string, and if that matches a boolean function, that will check whether that s string dictionary word is matched with that substring temp str or not. One thing to be noted, that temp str is changing by that flag function and while loop where it is written here. That str is changing, so I have already explained how it's working, that how it's erasing and why it's erasing. So let's go out with that thing. And that match function will check out whether that str substring find it out or not. If find it out, it will return true, else return false. And after that we have to go reached out with this if block, and in if block we have opened the user output file in append mode, so that the text that the word is already returned will not be erased, and return that string matched one and close it, so that again if it open in append mode will write the content in next line only. Okay, so let's go with the boolean function match. It will take two string s1 and temp, that is a substring to check whether it's find matched out or not, and s1 is a string in which substring has to be checked, and n is a variable. We have taken n variable so that to check it will n is a variable where size of the temp is to be stored out. We have used this so that we have to use it so that the substring size has to be decided out. How much how much size substring has to be taken here. That sub-st is a function used in string which will take out one starting position and the size of a substring. It will take that much substring and match it with temp. Is it matched or not? If it matched, it will return true, else return false, and I will helps to check the substring. If I is changing randomly, I is changing continuously by a for loop, and it will work. It check all the substring matched or not. If matched, return true, else return false. This is how our code is working out. So I hope we are able to solve real life problem that is faced out in our social medias using shortcuts and finding out words matched one. And thank you so much.